friends, hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Welcome back to yet another video of the Football Mania to bring you all the latest news, insights, and updates from the world of football. Yet another big club with yet another big signing, and at least in England, we all consider Aston Villa to be one of the big clubs. And let's be honest, they have a very big news for all football fans, and we will be seeing Steven Gerrard once again in the Premier League, and this time in a managerial capacity. He did an incredible job with Rangers FC. He ensured that they win their first title in the SPL in 10 long years, and he has brought silverware. Let's be honest, he doesn't have much of a managerial experience, but his qualities as a leader, as a person, and as a man manager is just incredible. And whenever I saw Rangers play, I could see a playing style, a pattern that was so attractive to watch. And I am sure that any Rangers fans out there who is asked about Steven Gerrard, they will have only laurels to say. And let's be honest, Aston Villa were desperately looking to sign him. And according to reports, it's a 3.5 year long deal, and it is going to be worth it because I have seen Steven Gerrard as a player, and his leadership and his charisma on the pitch was just incredible. It was infectious to all the players, and he ensured that a real team spirit and cohesiveness is there within the team. And that's exactly what he will bring to this Aston Villa team, who were languishing at 15th place in the Premier League under Dean Smith. Dean Smith did a wonderful job for Aston Villa. They have players like Ollie Watkins, they have Traore, they have the likes of Emiliano Buendia and El Ghazi. I think that that's a decent squad, and they can at least finish in the top 10. And we have seen time and time again that they can upset any big team in the Premier League, and definitely we saw that against Liverpool last time around 7-2. That was a real hammering. And let's be honest, Liverpool were not there up for the game that day, and Aston Villa were just so clinical in front of goal. And if Steven Gerrard can bring the same kind of form back to the Premier League with Aston Villa, it will just be incredible to see how Aston Villa, perform in the Premier League. And they have the players to do well, because we have seen time and time again that once a manager is on a roll, he continues a winning run, then the team also gels well and performs as a unit. And we have seen Aston Villa's players always rising up to the big occasion, especially against big teams. So especially on the 11th of December, my friends, keep the TV glued, and you will see Aston Villa facing Liverpool, where Steven Gerrard will go back to Anfield. It will be a very emotional day for him, but I'm sure that all the Scousers will be so happy to see Steven Gerrard back in the Premier League, and especially at Anfield. So guys, it is just an incredible signing, and I just have laurels for Steven Gerrard for the man he is. He's so loyal. He was a legend for Liverpool, and it will be incredible to see how he performs with Aston Villa. And no disrespect to Dean Smith, by the way, he did a stellar job. He took them to new heights. They finished in the top 8 last season. And let's be honest, Steven Gerrard has the capacity to take this team to new heights. And definitely they can do much better than the current position, that is 15th. And I can expect at least a top 10 finish, not this season, if not more. And guys, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, because Steven Gerrard is going to revolutionize this football club. And his return back to the Premier League itself is a big brand addition for the Premier League. And all the Aston Villa fans will be buzzing right now, especially because it's Steven Gerrard and it is a 3.5 year deal. Let's be honest, we haven't seen such a major signing, but let's hope for the best. And congratulations once again to Aston Villa on this major signing. So please drop in your comments in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until next time, stay safe and take care.